Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever found yourself wondering about the qualities that make a younger woman a truly exceptional match for an older man like yourself? Today, we're diving into the traits that signify high value in younger women. Traits that suggest she's not just a good match, but great for long-term compatibility. We're focusing on those green flags that are essential for a healthy, enriching relationship. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video, which ties all these traits together beautifully. It's a key piece of insight for understanding what truly makes a younger woman a high-value match for an older man. Before we explore today's topic, if you're open to transforming your dating strategies, click on the link below for a free 60-minute coaching call with one of our experts. Ready to find out what makes a younger woman truly stand out? Let's get started. 1. Independence. One standout trait of high-value younger women is their strong sense of independence. This isn't just about being able to handle things on their own. It's about them living their lives on their own terms. An independent woman isn't waiting around for someone else to make her life complete. She's already on her path, building a life that's fulfilling and exciting. This independence means she's less likely to rely on a relationship to define her, but instead sees it as a part of her broader, vibrant life. For an older guy like yourself, this can be incredibly appealing. You're likely established in your own right, appreciating that a partner brings her own world to the relationship, not just merging into yours. This dynamic fosters a healthy balance where both partners contribute as whole, self-sufficient individuals, making the relationship one of choice rather than necessity. What does this look like in practice? It's having a partner who plans her own adventures, manages her finances, and has her hobbies and interests. She brings a richness to the relationship that comes from a well-rounded life. Moreover, her independence ensures that the time she chooses to spend with you is genuine, valued, and based on true compatibility, not dependency. This sets the stage for a partnership based on mutual respect and admiration, where both partners thrive independently and together. 2. Emotional maturity. Emotional maturity is a game changer in any relationship, especially when considering a younger woman. It's about her ability to manage her emotions in a way that contributes positively to the relationship. An emotionally mature partner understands her feelings, can communicate them effectively, and handles conflicts constructively rather than letting things escalate unnecessarily. So, why does this matter to you, as an older man? You've likely seen enough drama and understand the value of stability and peace in a relationship. An emotionally mature woman won't turn every minor issue into a major conflict. Instead, she approaches problems with a level-headedness that can diffuse tension and promote understanding. This maturity also means she supports a stable relationship environment, one where both partners feel heard and respected. You'll find that discussions with her are more about finding solutions and growing together rather than winning an argument. She knows that being right isn't as important as being happy together. Moreover, her ability to manage her emotions means she can support you through your challenges without becoming overwhelmed. She becomes a partner who adds to your strength rather than drawing from it. This kind of emotional depth creates a resilient foundation for your relationship, allowing both of you to thrive individually and as a couple. So if you're looking for a relationship that's both enriching and soothing, emotional maturity should be high on your list of green flags. 3. Growth mindset. A younger woman with a growth mindset isn't just about personal ambition. It's about her commitment to continual self-improvement and learning. This trait makes her an inspiring partner, one who encourages progress and innovation within the relationship. Her focus on growth in both personal and professional realms ensures that she brings new ideas, perspectives, and energies to your partnership, which can be particularly invigorating for you as an older man. This kind of mindset means she's always on the lookout for ways to enhance her own life, and by extension, yours together. Whether it's picking up new skills, expanding her knowledge, or seeking new experiences, her drive for growth can motivate you to also pursue your own interests and ambitions. Together, you can foster a dynamic relationship where both of you are continuously evolving and supporting each other's goals. Moreover, a partner who values growth is likely to be adaptable and resilient in the face of challenges. She views setbacks as opportunities to learn and improve, rather than obstacles that are insurmountable. This attitude can help stabilize the relationship during tough times and provide a model for constructive and positive problem solving. Having a partner with a growth mindset enriches your relationship with ongoing dialogue about goals, dreams, and achievements, making your journey together not just about where you're going, but how you grow along the way. This shared pathway to improvement can deepen your connection and ensure your relationship is always moving forward, never stagnant. 4. Confidence and self-assurance. These are magnetic qualities in a younger woman that do more than just draw others in. They create an atmosphere of positivity and possibility. A confident woman knows her worth and carries herself with a certain poise that can't help but be influential. For an older man, having a partner who is self-assured means you're with someone who is comfortable in her own skin. This self-belief is infectious, inspiring you to embrace your own strengths and perhaps reevaluate areas where you've been hesitant. Her confidence is also a signal that she values herself appropriately, which sets a healthy standard for how she expects to be treated. This self-respect demands respect from others, including you, which can elevate the way you interact with each other and with the world. A confident partner encourages direct and open communication, making your relationship one based on honesty and mutual respect. Moreover, her self-assurance means she's unlikely to shy away from challenges, whether they're in her personal life, her career, or the relationship itself. She's not waiting for someone else to lead the way. She's capable of taking initiative. This can be incredibly uplifting for you, as it brings a dynamic energy to the relationship that encourages both personal and joint ventures. A younger woman's confidence and self-assurance are not just about her. They enrich and motivate everyone around her, including her older partner. This creates a vibrant, supportive relationship where both partners are encouraged to thrive. Hope you're enjoying the video and feeling motivated to enhance your dating skills. Our free 60-minute strategy call is tailored to help individuals like you who are ready to make real changes. During the call, you'll gain insights into developing a personal dating style, techniques for effective communication, and ways to build confidence that makes a difference. Don't wait. Click the link in the pinned comment to reserve your session. 5. Balance in relationships. One of the key traits of a high-value younger woman is her ability to strike a healthy balance between her personal and romantic lives. This isn't just about managing time. It's about maintaining a sense of self within a partnership. For an older man, this balance means that your relationship is built on a solid, mature foundation, where both partners value their individuality as much as their union. A younger woman who keeps this balance ensures that she doesn't lose her identity or interests for the sake of the relationship. This prevents the common pitfalls of dependency, or one partner sacrificing more than they should, which can lead to resentment. Instead, she brings her whole self to the relationship, enriching it with her interests and passions, which keeps the relationship dynamic and engaging. Moreover, her ability to maintain this balance means she can be fully present when she's with you, making your time together intentional and meaningful. She doesn't need the relationship to fill a void or define her worth. She's already self-fulfilled. This approach not only sustains long-term happiness, but also ensures that both partners are equally invested and satisfied. This balanced dynamic encourages mutual respect and support, fostering a partnership where both of you can thrive. It allows the relationship to be one aspect of a full life, rather than the sole focus, which is essential for sustained happiness and fulfillment in both your lives. 6. Adventurous and open to new experiences. A younger woman with an adventurous spirit and openness to new experiences brings a refreshing vitality and excitement to any relationship. This trait is particularly invigorating for an older partner, as it encourages you to step out of your routine and embrace life with a renewed enthusiasm. An adventurous partner isn't just about seeking thrills. It's about her willingness to explore new ideas, embrace different cultures, and try out new activities, which can add a rich layer of experiences to your life together. Her openness to new experiences means that your days with her are rarely dull. She's the type of partner who would suggest a spontaneous road trip, a new restaurant, or an unconventional hobby, pushing the boundaries of the familiar. This can inspire you to break from the predictable patterns that often settle in with age, and to rediscover the world through a fresher lens. Moreover, her adventurous nature isn't just external, but internal as well. She's open to exploring different aspects of her personality and capabilities, which can motivate you to also explore untapped parts of yourself. This can lead to personal growth and a deeper understanding of each other as you both navigate new territories together. This shared journey of discovery can strengthen your bond, as each new experience and challenge you tackle together builds trust, deepens your connection, and keeps the relationship vibrant and engaging. So, if you're looking for a partnership that's full of life and constant growth, an adventurous and open spirit is key. Bonus tip: gratitude and appreciation. This isn't just about saying thank you. It's a mindset that recognizes and cherishes the simple joys and opportunities that life presents. Practicing gratitude can significantly influence the dynamics of a relationship, infusing it with positivity and mutual respect. A woman who focuses on being grateful tends to view challenges as opportunities and setbacks as lessons. This outlook can be especially comforting and inspiring for her older partner. It means that she contributes to a relationship atmosphere where negativity is minimized and positive emotions are amplified. This not only makes everyday interactions pleasant, but also strengthens the bond between the two of you. Moreover, her appreciation for the small things, like a quiet evening at home or a thoughtful gesture, can remind you to also cherish these moments, enhancing your own life satisfaction. Her ability to find happiness in the mundane can encourage a more joyful, contented approach to life, which is essential for long-term happiness in a relationship. Thus, a younger woman who embraces gratitude and appreciation helps to create a nurturing and supportive environment. This approach can turn a good relationship into a great one, where both partners feel valued and happy. This gratitude isn't just beneficial for maintaining a healthy relationship, it's a trait that enriches every aspect of life, making every shared moment a bit more meaningful. So now you know the traits of high-value younger women. What's next for you? Discover 21 signs she likes you, or learn 19 techniques older men use to win over younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.